What's up, guys, and thank you so much for tuning in to another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Aleia, and this is As Always Aleia. I do natural hair care videos and reviews, but today I have something special in store for you. Okay guys, so you just saw my teaser for the As I Am hand sanitizer. I do have it right here. This is hand care instead of hair care. This is from As I Am. It's their moisturizing hand sanitizer. And might I say, they totally capitalized off of what was going on right now. This was a great marketing setup that they had to do because everyone needs hand sanitizer right now. They're running low in stock, like all over the world. So that was great for As I Am to come out with this. I definitely purchased it because I do need some hand sanitizer with COVID-19, and I hope everyone out there is being extremely safe in washing their hands and using disinfectant hand sanitizer. So this was really cool. It came in this nice box. Guys, check out the box. It says Curl Bay on it, and it has the Restore and Repair As I Am collection on the actual box, which was cool because I actually got a chance to try this as well. I do have a couple products from As I Am, as you guys can see right here. No? Okay. So I do have a couple products from As I Am already. They were actually one of the first brands that I tried when I was turning into a natural. So I have a long connection and relationship with this brand because they really helped me when I was like first going through my dramatic experience of me not knowing what to do when I became a natural. But I am so happy that they got to come out with this moisturizing hand sanitizer, and it was cool because I actually got to do something different, and I did a teaser for you guys. The video that I did was not sponsored, but I do wish it was. As I Am is pretty awesome because it wasn't a hair product. I kind of got to do a little bit something different, which was great because I love to create, and I'm still pretty new in YouTube, so I'm just kind of dibbling and dabbling where I can. But this hand sanitizer was awesome. Go ahead and show it for you guys. That's how it pumps out. It does not have a smell. It says that it's fragrance free. However, I dropped a little bit. It says that it's fragrance free. It doesn't have a smell to it. But it smells like a straight shot of like alcohol. For real. Like, it smells like college. It smells like, I mean, this is 99. It kills 99.9% of germs. It looks like there's 62% of alcohol. Here's the back of the ingredients right here. So it looks like there's 62% of alcohol. This smells like a straight shot of I don't know what, but it smells like you can drink it and get drunk off of this stuff. Do not consume this, clearly. But yeah, this was pretty cool. I'm so happy that I got to show this to you guys and experience something new. I'm so happy As I Am hopped on the bandwagon and came out with a moisturizing hand sanitizer for all of our naturals to use while we are being safe during this pandemic. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. My name is Aleia. This is As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you in the next one. Deuces.